Hello guys. If your Richmond electric water heater is not producing any hot water, it can be frustrating because everything may look normal from the outside, yet you're getting only cold water. This kind of issue often feels serious, but in many cases, it's caused by simple things like power interruptions, tripped safety switches, or thermostat settings rather than a major failure. Electric water heaters are built with protective features that shut the system down if something isn't right, which can make it seem like the heater has stopped working completely. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the no heat issue and get your Richmond water heater working again. Try these. Step 1. Check the power supply and ensure the heater is receiving electricity. Step 2. Inspect the circuit breaker and reset it if it has tripped. Step 3. Press the reset button on the water heater. Step 4. Check and adjust the thermostat settings properly. Step 5. Inspect wiring connections for any loose or damaged parts. Step 6. Turn the unit back on and test if hot water is restored.